If you haven't heard of oil of oregano, you're missing out. It can help fight some of the most common health problems in dogs, including ear infections, yeast infections, and even cancer. And it can do it without the harmful side effects of conventional antibiotics and antifungals. But there can be some confusion when it comes to the different kinds of oil of oregano. So before you learn how amazing it can be for your dog, you should know the difference between oil of oregano, oregano essential oil, and oregano oil. Before we jump into that, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the little bell icon below so you don't miss out on any other helpful videos from this channel. Oil of oregano versus oregano essential oil versus oregano oil. Oil of oregano is a concentrated extract that's pre-diluted in a carrier oil, such as olive oil or almond oil. And you can use it topically or orally for healing. Oil of oregano is also sometimes called oregano oil extract or oregano oil, which can make things confusing. In this video, we'll just call it oil of oregano. You can find oil of oregano with the vitamins and other supplements in health food stores and some grocery stores and pharmacies. Oregano essential oil is different from oil of oregano. It's much more potent. Oregano essential oil can offer medicinal benefits, but because it's so powerful, you should only use it with guidance from a professional. Oregano oil is oil that's infused with oregano. It's used for cooking to add flavor to your food. You can find it at grocery and specialty food stores, but it doesn't have any medicinal benefits. So you shouldn't give it to your dog. So let's focus on oil of oregano. Why give your dog oil of oregano? Here are a few of the benefits it can offer your dog. Oil of oregano's claim to fame is that it's a natural antibiotic. This is thanks to the carvacrol it contains. Carvacrol is an organic compound known as phenol, which gives oregano its taste and aroma. While there are many phenols in oil of oregano, carvacrol is the most abundant. Studies show carvacrol can stop the growth of many different bacteria, including those which cause staph infections. Oil of oregano may even work for antibiotic-resistant bacteria like E. coli. Another study shows it's just as effective as conventional antibiotics, and it doesn't have any of the negative side effects conventional drugs have. That's why it's even used in chicken feed to replace antibiotics. Oil of oregano can be a potent source of antioxidants. This is because its active ingredient, carvacrol, isn't just an antibiotic. It's also one of 3 major antioxidants found in oregano. The other 2 are thymol and rosmarinic acid. One study found that out of 39 commonly used herbs, oregano had the highest concentration of antioxidants. And gram for gram, it has 4 times more antioxidants than blueberries and 42 times more than apples. Oil of oregano is a natural yeast fighter thanks to carvacrol and thymol, which is a natural antifungal. Studies on dogs show it could even be an effective alternative treatment to conventional meds. Yeast overgrowths are a major cause of ear infections in dogs and can cause skin and gut issues as well. Conventional vets will prescribe antifungal medications. The problem is that these drugs have harmful side effects, and yeast can build up a resistance to them. Oil of oregano can also help fight parasites. In a 6-week study, oil of oregano reduced parasites in human participants. 77% of participants were completely cured. It's also effective for giardia and as a dewormer. The antioxidants in oregano oil help prevent free radicals that increase the risk of cancer. But carvacrol has an even more direct effect. In a test tube study, carvacrol helped inhibit cell growth and increased cancer cell death. Oil of oregano can help kill microorganisms that are responsible for many skin and ear infections. And that's because it's both an antifungal and antibiotic. So what's the safest and most effective way to use oil of oregano for your dog? Most oil of oregano is pre-diluted, so it should be safe for internal use. But be sure to read the bottle carefully. If the product does not contain a carrier oil, look for a different one or follow the instructions for essential oils below. To give it to your dog internally, add a drop or two to your dog's food. This should help protect your dog against bacterial, viral, and fungal infections. It can also help prevent waterborne illnesses. You can also add it to your dog's toothpaste to help with oral health. This will help reduce bacteria in your dog's mouth. And that's important because the bacteria that causes gum disease may also lead to heart disease. Topically, you can apply oil of oregano to the skin 3 to 4 times daily. As I said earlier, oregano essential oil shouldn't be used internally without the guidance of a professional. But you can use oregano essential oil topically, so long as you dilute it first. To do this, add 1 to 3 drops of oregano essential oil to a teaspoon of olive, almond, or other carrier oil. For ears, you can add oregano essential oil to 1 ounce of warm aloe vera juice, or use pre-diluted oil of oregano. Soak a cotton ball in the oil and clean the visible parts of the ear. Avoid oil of oregano and oregano essential oil for dogs who get seizures. Contact your holistic vet if you have any concerns about giving your dog oil of oregano. Oil of oregano is a powerful natural remedy for your dog, and when used correctly, you can benefit from a natural antibiotic and antifungal alternative that's free of harmful side effects. If you have any more questions about Oregano for Dogs, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe and visit dogsnaturallymagazine.com for more information.